Just a little day in the life here. Chocolate Belt, where we build it, we don't buy it, and we're gonna take care of ourselves no matter what. Y'all have a good day. Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's a beautiful day today. It is March the 29th, 2021. Got my old V10 powered OBS out here doing a little work today. It bought me something. You know, you can't depend on nobody. Couldn't get nobody to come do any grade work, or what two or three people actually came look at it, they just wouldn't show up. So we got something now. We got us a John Deere 450, 6-way blade. Tracks are real good. All the undercarriage is good. Thing cranks right up. Let that car go by. Luckily I was able to try it out at the guy's house. We bought it in Eclectic, Alabama. We're about 20 miles from his house. We're right here fixing to get on the Interstate 85, and we got about 48 miles to go. We stopped, checked all the tires, brakes. Funny story. I'm only running half the brakes on the trailer. You know, I just got through painting the trailer. I just got everything done. I got all this brake stuff ordered, but it wasn't here. When you find these deals, you got to go get them. So we went and got it. Everything's looking good. Tires ain't overheating. Tires are old as all get out, but they holding up. So, as of right now, we're doing good. Doing some of my first grade work later this week, letting it dry out a little bit. I think it's supposed to rain again tomorrow night, and it'll be dry for several weeks, I hope. At least 2 weeks, I think, according to the extended forecast. And we're gonna get some work done. All right, well, I'll video unloading it if it's not dark. It's about 6:30, so we got to get on back. I'm off tonight. I got to work Saturday, so everything's looking up. Talk to y'all in a little bit. Trans temp running 130. Coolant temp running about 198. Oil temps at 200. No, right at 200. Oil pressure holding strong at 60. I mean, the thing's only got 27,000 miles on it. When it shows 55, I'm actually doing 60, 61, somewhere in that range, because it's got bigger tires. Everything's going good. We got 38 miles to go. Give you another update when I can. It's hard to do this and drive. I know it's not safe, but it was pretty easy. Pulling it good. Catch y'all in a little bit. Dang, y'all can't see nothing. Woo! Hey, we got 2 miles to go. We running 63 mile an hour. Coolant temps at 185. Trans temps at 120. Oil temps at 195. I mean, it's running good. We got, we're pulling, we're down to about 7 inches of vacuum. Oil pressure's holding good and steady, about 61, 62, just like normal. Because the thing ain't got, we rolled 28,000 miles on this trip. So that's where we're at on this. We'll try to video unloading it in the dark. This is gonna be fun. All right, let's see what we can do. Let's get this thing unloaded. We got it all unchained, ramps up, back to the trailers blocked up. My dad's gonna hold the brakes. I say he's gonna hold the brakes. I hope he does. Ain't got much battery.
starter fluid.
That goes down to the air filter. Here's the air filter.
See, he could have cranked it a while ago right before we got there. I heard him say one time, sometimes you have to use the starter fluid to start it.
This works. Two batteries is 24 volts. Yep, two batteries. We got nothing even to jump it off with. That's the problem with buying stuff. You don't know nothing about it. People are never always honest about it. All he had to do was tell us what he done to start it when it's been sitting for it ain't been sitting an hour and a half. Well, we're gonna figure it out. I'll turn this back on when I go to unload it. We'll go from there. Alright, so once we hooked my dad's truck up to it cranked right up. So I was going to get a battery. It's got two batteries in it actually. Not sure if we'll do two or just one. Purring like a kitten, just like a John Deere should. So we're gonna get him up there to hold the brakes and unload it. See what happens. That's it. We're gonna find a place to put it out of the rain. We'll get the trailer on the hook, get to the house, and we'll try to do some more videos on it before long. Y'all have a good one. All right, so we just got back from the trip. Old truck done pretty good. No hiccups, no faults, no nothing. The trailer. Well, I had to take another caliper off before we left. So we're only running two of the calipers on the trailer. With that, was only the right side. That was what made it real bad. It was real sketchy. But we made it all the way there. Made it all the way back. I filled up with gas before we left. I filled up just now when I got through unhooking, and I let it idle a little bit more than I should when I was unloading, because we had to jump. Of course, had to jump it off. We got to come up. We got to charge them batteries if they just need charging. Figure out what's what. But I used $61. I think it was 19 gallons or something, 136 miles. I got a picture, whatever the picture says. But I know I got 7.08 miles to the gallon out of this V10. So that's pulling a dozer, a 14,000 pound dozer on the way back. 68 miles each way. I thought that was pretty good. So my dad, oh boy, he was so nervous. He didn't know what to think when I told him we was going to get it. You can't depend on nobody. So I just gonna take a chance. The tires were real rough. They're probably 20, 25 years old, but they're bias ply. Cracked up real bad, but they held up. Made the trip, got back. We were both laughing, cutting up when we got back, which is not like us, really. Just really surprised, you know. Look at that old V10. Purred like a kitten the whole way. Never faulted. So that's gonna wrap up this video. I'm gonna try to get this thing posted tonight. This just happened today, and I'm fixing to work on this right now and get it posted. Just a little day in the life here. Chocolate Belt, where we build it, we don't buy it, and we're gonna take care of ourselves no matter what. Y'all have a good day.